In this video, the second of a series, I will continue to build the logging truck trailer with the plans found in this book. In the first video, I built 8 wheels using 3 different drill bits. And the second major step is to build the main frame of the trailer where the wheels will hang off of. I'm starting with a few pieces of scrap 1x1 cedar material that I had on hand. First, I'll cut the long central spine of the trailer to length. So I've got that marked out and ready to cut. And I forgot to adjust my blade height. So once I raised the blade a bit, things went a lot better. On either side of the main central spine are also shorter pieces, which I'm now cutting from this piece here, and those will help support the axles for the wheels. So I'm marking 1 to length. I need 2 of them. So I'm just setting up my stop block here on my crosscut sled and cutting 1 and the second one. All done. So with the 3 pieces cut, now it's time to mark out where the shorter pieces will be actually glued onto the central spine. The central piece sticks out a bit past the back of the 2 side pieces. They're not actually flush, according to the plan. I'm just trying to find the best sides here to face up. And that looks about right. So just doing some sanding here to basically get rid of some of the roughness which is on the 1x1s. And in hindsight, it probably would have been a little bit easier if I would have actually done this before I cut them to length, but somehow I managed. Just trying to smooth them out a bit, get rid of any marks from being in storage. And in the back you can see the 8 wheels that I did in the previous video, sitting there ready to go. And this is sped up quite a bit, so normally you would actually move the sander slower than this. I don't want to bore you with too much sanding. And then what we're going to do is grab the wood glue and glue these up. Just using a cheap brush to spread the glue out. It's evenly covered. And I'm also going to put some glue now on the middle piece. Once these 2 side pieces are done. just marking where the glue should stop so I don't put too much glue on. Just positioning it right so that it's nice and even, lined up with the pencil marks that I made. And then repeat on the other side. Here you'll see a little bit better what I actually do. These are little, just disposable, what they called acid brushes, and they're fine for spreading out glue. And then we'll put the other piece on. Right orientation. Again, making sure it's even. Then I'm going to grab a couple clamps, just regular squeeze clamps, and clamp one side. So again, making sure everything's nice and flush. And then I'll grab another clamp and do the other end as well. So that's it for part 2. In the next video, I'll build the log holder that actually keeps the logs on the trailer. So thanks for watching.